Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to inform you my channel is going on upload it in the at Sunday, so not watch my channel Nandi. Let's start. Let's start the video. My video about is today we will study maths. So for DAV 4th standard, so you can study it you are in DAV or not a DAV. You know the information what is the chapter. Unit chapter number is number up to 999999999. You know about 9 till 9. You know this number? Yep. 99 lakhs 90. Oh, just a minute. 99 lakhs 99,999. Okay. You person not know this the lakhs one digit. Okay, we will study first, then we go to 1 2 9s. Okay, let's study first of this problem. The first problem is we have to. I will give you only two problems. Okay, not only two one problem of each of this. Okay, first we do exercise. One problems. Okay, only I will study only one problems because you know that the 99 lakhs. Okay, so we will start the crores one. We will start with 2. Okay, let's get started. This first exercise is okay. This you know this number. How to read it? Know this number. Yeah, you know this number. 4,81,659. Okay, just we added this, and the problem is given that write the period, place and place value of the uncircled digit in the following numerals. Okay, so the 4,8,1,659. Okay, we will do a period first. Period. Okay, what is the period? Period is see, periods we have divided by two this 3 groups. Okay, one is the lakhs group, 1000 group and ones group. Okay, that's called as period. What about place? The place about means it's 4 lakh. We added 2, it's 2 lakh, 24 lakhs. Okay, that's that. Has place. Like anyone have 80,000. Okay, the 10,000 is called 80,000. Okay, so place. Place will be the place. Period will be first. It's belong to lakh group. In place is also lakh. And place value is place value. Okay, place value means how we write in numbers. See, in 4 lakh we numbers called 00, 0 0 0 0. Okay. You understand? Periods means what? Place means what? And place value is what? Place value is called. What is called? Okay. We write the following names, numerals. Okay, numerals is new word. About numerals. Okay, numerals is new word for you. Numerals means it's called numerals means okay the number. Okay, the 3 4 30 it's 34. 24, 28, 7, 2, 5. Okay. It's 24 lakhs. It's called numerals. It's called what? Numerals. So numerals means that. Okay. Let's start the problem. The problem is okay. Let's start with easy one. Okay. Easy one is 90 0 0 9. This is the number is very easy. Okay. This number is 9. Okay. I will give you a 10 seconds time. Please write in the chat box. Chat box no comment in comment box. So 1 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, you want more time, so you just pause the video. 90 lakh and 9. Okay, it's called 90 lakh. Oh, sorry. It's called 9 lakh. It's called 9 lakh and 9. Okay. One more this. Okay. That's today for okay. I just explain you the quick crores. What is crores? Okay. Crores means like it's 2 4 5 8 9 4 5. Okay. We added one more 2-digit number. Okay. Like 7 8. Its number is 7 8 2 4 5 8 9 4 5. Okay, let's start with this number. Okay, we added 2 more numbers in that. Okay, is now the 945 belongs to one's family. Okay, and this 58 that is belong to 1000. So its surname is 58,000. Okay, the 24 is the what about 24 is lakhs one. We are studying new one is new family is crores. It's new one. Okay, for you it's new one. Okay, the crores family is called 78 crores. The lakhs family, okay, not this example will work. Okay, I will give this one from book. I want crores one. Yeah, it's 4 86 29 80 182 this is a new family for you. Okay, like every one number is belongs to one family. Is belong to one's family. Every number is called surnames. Okay, it's the surnames of them. Okay, the 4 surnames is Crores. Okay, and 86 surnames is Lakh, and 20 is the its surname is 1000. And 183 its surname is ones. Okay, and we call for I have a name Anandi. Okay, I have a name Anandi. I have a surname Ingole. So my name is Anandi Ingole. Okay, every number has a surnames. Okay, let's imagine every number have a surnames. We call 4 Crores. Crores is 4 is their name and the surname is Crores. So we called 4 Crores. Okay, and 86 surname is Lakhs. It's called Lakhs. 86 lakhs. 29. Okay, 29 is a surname. 29 is have a surname 1000, and 183 have surnames of ones. Okay, so this is a Crores, and we had doing some exercise to next Sunday. So watch then my channel and Nandi. Bye bye. Love you all. See you.